Hey everyone, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. In today's video, I'm trading live on the pocket option broker in the OTC market. And the exciting part, I'm starting with just $5 today. I'm trading using the original version of the cross signal software. This tool is specially designed for binary option brokers, especially for the OTC market. With this software, I can read signals more clearly and make quicker decisions like this. As you can see, I just took a buy position based on the signal that popped up. I didn't wait for any other confirmation. I'm relying fully on the cross signal software. If you want to try out the same tool I'm using, just check the video description for more info. All right, everyone. The first trade went really well. Now I'm moving on to the next trade. This time I'll be going all in with my entire balance on each transaction. Let's see if this strategy can bring even bigger results.